We are the Statistic 4, and we are very excited to share our research, depressive symptoms, parenting stress, and relationship quality among transgender and gender non-binary parents with you all today. First, we must define key terms. In this context, depressive symptoms include feelings of hopelessness, fatigue, and pessimism, among others. Parenting stress refers to the imbalance of parent experiences between their perceived ability and their available resources. Finally, relationship quality means the satisfaction and evaluation of the relationship by each partner. Researchers estimate that there are around 1 million transgender adults in the U.S. and that between 25 to 50% of them are parents, demonstrating a clear research need in this area. Moreover, evidence shows that TGNB parents experience disproportionately high rates of depression and parenting stress as a compounded consequence of systemic oppression related to their gender identity. Together, these variables likely have an impact on relationship quality, and these outcomes may be influenced by covariates. Previous research has examined the effect of both variables on relationship quality for cisgender heterosexual parents. However, findings are lacking for TGNB parents. This brings us to the goal of our study. Through our work, we strive to fill this gap in the literature by examining whether parenting stress and depressive symptoms predict relationship quality among TGNB parents.
Our research questions whether external stressors in the context of parenting, measured in parenting stress and internal vulnerabilities, operationalized as depressive symptoms, predict relationship quality among transgender and non-binary parents. We hypothesized that transgender and non-binary couples who experience greater parenting stress and depressive symptoms experience lower relationship quality. The study sample was adopted from the Tornello et al. 2019 paper. It is a gender-diverse parent sample. The majority of the sample is white with an average age of 41 years old. The gender distribution and timing of parenthood were also analyzed. The measurements are shown as follows. Depressive symptoms were measured using the Center of Epidemiological Studies Depression Scale. Parenting stress were measured using the Parenting Stress Index, the short form, and relationship qualities were measured by the Dyadic Adjustment Scale. The plan of analysis is to first rank descriptives, and then a correlation matrix and a multiple linear regression controlling for covariates.
Let's talk about our results. Here's the descriptive information and correlations of key study variables. Depressive symptoms, parenting stress, and relationship quality are significantly correlated with each other. Notably, according to the clinical norm, the average score of depressive symptoms is above the clinical cutoff point. Controlling for gender, timing of parenthood, household income, and age, we use depressive symptoms and parenting stress to predict relationship quality among transgender and gender non-binary parents. Multiple linear regression shows that among these factors, both depressive symptoms and parenting stress could significantly predict decreased relationship quality among TGNB parents. Also, participant age negatively predicts relationship quality.
We have three major key findings. The first is higher parenting stress and higher depressive symptoms both predicted lower relationship quality among TGNB parents. And then depressive symptoms showed a higher significance than parenting stress, suggesting that high levels of depression are even more detrimental to relationship quality among TGNB parents and their partners, which might be due to their minority status. And the third is participants' age negatively predicted relationship quality, suggesting that older participants have lower relationship qualities. The strength of this study was that sample was diverse in age, gender, and timing of parenthood, but this study sample was also similar in race, education, and income, and this is not representative of TGNB parents in the United States. And this limitation highlights the need to include appropriate measures in large national data sets. And this study contributes to the enrichment of the limited existing research on sexual and gender minority families. Filling this gap is more critical than ever due to a rising number of non-traditional families. And this study also examines the linkages between TGNB parents' mental well-being and their relationship quality in a parenting context. And this could provide evidence for future intervention programs targeting sexual and gender minority parents. Here are the references. Page 2 of references. We would like to thank our advisor, Si-Ming Chao, for statistical guidance, Samantha Tornello for such fantastic data, and Yanling Li for answering our questions. Thank you.